Assalamu alaikum. I once again welcome you to my linear ocean learning channel on transformation of sentences according to meaning. It's part 5, assertive to exclamatory. Today I will be talking on rule number 7, 8 and 9, and this will be the end of my video on transformation of sentences according to meaning, part 5, that is assertive to exclamatory. Viewers, let's get started. Rule number 7, assertive sentences with subject wish plus subject plus where. Example: I wish I were a child again. Structure to be followed to make it exclamatory is if plus subject plus where. If plus subject plus where in place of I wish I were. In place of I wish I were plus extension plus exclamation mark or note of exclamation. The exclamatory sentence will be, if I follow the structure, if I were, in place of what? I wish I were. If I were, then extension a child again. I wish I were a child again, and its exclamatory sentence is if I were a child again. Viewers, why were after I? We know after I, that is subject I takes the be verb was and am. Then why? Because it's an imagination, it's hypothetical. I'm a human being and not I'm a man, grown-up man, not a child, and it's not possible for me to be a child again. That's why it's where after subject I, past subjunctive mood. It is where is in the past subjunctive mood. It is called past subjunctive mood. Viewers, the assertive sentence I wish I were a child again, and its exclamatory sentence is if I were a child again. Rule number 8, assertive sentences with subject plus wish plus subject plus could. Example: I wish I could fly in the sky. Structure to be followed to make it exclamatory is would that plus subject plus could. Would that plus subject plus could in place of subject plus wish plus subject plus could. IPO, subject plus wish plus subject plus could plus extension plus note of exclamation or exclamation mark. If we follow the structure, the exclamatory sentence we will get is would that I could in place of I wish I could. Would that I could fly in the sky. Let's start with rule number 9. Assertive sentences with subject plus wish plus subject plus had. Example: I wish I had the wings of a bird. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Structure to be followed to make it exclamatory is had plus subject. Had plus subject. IPO, subject plus wish plus subject plus had plus extension, then exclamation mark or note of exclamation. If we follow the structure, the exclamatory sentence we will get is had I in place of subject, wish plus subject plus had. Had I, then extension, the wings of a bird. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Had I the wings of a bird. If we go in a reverse way, had I the wings of a bird, and its assertive sentence will be I wish I had the wings of a bird. Then again, would that I could fly in the sky, and its assertive will be I wish I could fly in the sky. If I were a child again, if we just go in a reverse way, its assertive sentence will be I wish I were a child again. Viewers, this is the end of the video on part 5, that is assertive to exclamatory. Tomorrow I'll be appearing before you on some exceptional rules to make affirmative sentences into negative. Till then, goodbye.